Hello, my name is HK Math, and I would like to use the algebra balance scale, in order to solve a two-step linear equation. You have probably seen these in your 7th and 8th grade curriculum, and it is definitely a part of Algebra 1. And at some point in all of your algebra classes and higher, you will get to the point that you are solving this simple equation. Now, the most important thing is to think about what the equation is saying. We are saying that 4 times some number, when you add on 3, you get 7. 4 times a number plus 3 is the same as 7. Now, some of us are thinking, I think I know that number. If you are, don't say it, because what we'd like to do is investigate how to use the algebra balance scale to come up with the answer, because sometimes you might not be as quick at guessing the solution. When we find the number that works in this equation, that number that we find is called the solution. So, I'd like to give credit to Utah State University, because this particular balance scale activity is found on their website. And their website is quite popular. It's called the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. So I will be using manipulatives to illustrate the balance of the left side, which is 4x plus 3, and the right side. So if we think of this as weights, the weight of this quantity has to be equal to the weight of this quantity. Now the weight over here is 7. So can't go in here and find a 7. So we just will place weights one at a time until we get 7. So that's 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And as you can see, it is not balanced. So it should balance when I put 4 of the unknown quantities. And please do not blurt out what that unknown quantity is. We're putting 4 of those unknown quantities here. And then what do we need to add on? We have to add on 3. Alrighty then, so we're adding on 3, and suddenly, bam, it's balanced. Now, in order to solve the equation, we're going to take weights off until we get to a situation that demonstrates the solution. Now, I can take 1 off here, and then I need to take 1 off here. Wow, there, it's balanced. I can take 1 off here, and then I need to take 1 off here. Again, it's balanced. I can take 1 off here, and finally 1 off here. It's balanced. Now, there are no more 1s over here. I have a situation where 4 quantities here is equivalent to 4 here. If I took and divided this into groups of 4, then each group would have an x. If I took this side and divided into groups of 4, each group would have a 1. So it's obvious that the unknown quantity or the solution is 1. Every time I remove a 1, I can remove the box and maintain equality. What is our solution? Our solution is 1. If we want to check the solution, then we always return to the original equation. Is 4 times 1 plus 3 the same as 7? And we are absolutely correct that 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. We have found the solution, and this particular applet, you can download it. I believe you can get a free trial version, and then if it helps you with your mathematics, there's possibly a small fee for continuing to use it, but I'm not sure. I'll investigate into that. So what we're going to do now is clear that problem. So we cleared the scale, and now we can either create our own problem or get a new problem. And wow, this, they say we're not supposed to learn until 9th grade. Oh well, but maybe you're going to just go ahead and tackle it. You don't have to wait until a particular grade level to tackle problems that may be interesting. Just tackle it and have fun. Well, thank you. Hope you get to play with some manipulatives, and hope this helped you solve linear equations. In fact, what I'll do is, let me go back. Let me create a problem. And it says, if you want to create it, then the number in front of the x you place here. So I want to create 5x plus 3. That's going to be b, equals, I don't want another x here, so I'm going to leave that blank. And I'm going to make that equal to 15. 18, I think. Let's see. 18. It's a 2. I don't think I can go that high. Okay. 5x plus 3 equals 8. And then you're off and running. Thank you. Bye.